Do you feel like you are stuck in a hamster wheel of bills? Discover the mindset hacks that crack the code to financial freedom. Stick with us, and we will map out some strategies to get your tight budget producing pots of gold. Let us show you how to think creatively about how you can start the process of becoming a financial mastermind with small changes to your mindset. Have you ever wondered why saving money seems like a Herculean task, even when you're earning a decent income? We find ourselves wrestling with this universal dilemma, perplexed by the seeming paradox of our financial existence. We earn, we spend, but we struggle to save. It's a conundrum that binds us all, whether we're rolling in dough or scraping by. Our perceptions are often clouded by misconceptions about income and savings. We believe that a bigger paycheck is the solution to our financial woes. But is that really the case? Do we judge ourselves by the perceptions of others? Remember, comparison can be the thief of joy. Consider this: a high income doesn't necessarily equate to financial freedom. Rather, it's the management of that income that holds the key to unlocking a secure financial future. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. That's a concept many struggle to grasp, and it's the root of our universal dilemma. So what's the solution? Well, it's not as elusive as you might think. Some financial minds would say to set aside a small percentage of your income to automatically invest, so you may hardly even notice it. It's about making conscious decisions with your money, rather than letting it slip through your fingers like sand. This is where the concept of thrifty transformation comes into play. It's not about depriving yourself or living a life of austerity. No, it's about making smart, informed choices. It's about understanding where your money goes and how you can make it work for you. A full and complete understanding of the time value of money can help you find the motivation to start a plan of investing your hard-earned dollars. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, rather than being at the mercy of your income. The road to financial freedom is paved with savvy decisions and a thrifty mindset. It's a journey, not a destination. And it's a journey that starts with understanding the true relationship between income and savings. If you're intrigued by the idea of overcoming your financial struggles, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It's much appreciated. Firstly, we delve into the complex web of your financial situation. Now, imagine your finances as a vast, intricate labyrinth. You're standing at the entrance armed with nothing but your income, and you need to navigate your way through. Our journey begins with your income. It's the fuel that powers your financial engine. But just like any fuel, it needs to be used wisely. Whether it's a regular paycheck, sporadic gig work, or a monthly pension, understanding the ins and outs of your income is pivotal. Next, we encounter expenditures. These are the roads that carve through your financial labyrinth. From essentials like housing and food to discretionary spending on entertainment and luxuries, it's crucial to know where your money goes. And this is where practical changes can come into play. For instance, cutting down on unnecessary subscriptions can trim your monthly costs. Cooking at home instead of out is another effective strategy. Even small changes like using public transportation or carpooling instead of owning a car can result in significant savings over time. Then, we stumble upon the formidable beast of debts. These financial obligations can be a challenging adversary, but they're not undefeatable. Understanding your debts, their interest rates, and repayment terms can help you devise a strategy to slay this beast. Finally, we reach the treasure trove of savings. It might seem elusive, especially when you're battling debts and managing expenditures. But remember, even the smallest can add up over time, slowly filling up this treasure trove. Each element of your financial labyrinth is interconnected, influencing and being influenced by the others. But fear not, for understanding the perplexity of your financial situation is your first step towards mastering it. Once the perplexity unravels, the path to financial wisdom becomes clearer. Next, we delve into the unpredictable peaks and valleys of our financial journey. Think of your economic life as a roller coaster ride. Yes, there are exhilarating times when you're soaring high, feeling the wind in your hair, basking in the vista from the pinnacle. These are the moments when your savings account is burgeoning, your bills are settled, and you have the sensation of ruling the world. But like any roller coaster, what ascends inevitably descends. Your financial journey will have its valleys, unexpected expenses, abrupt job loss, or economic downturns that may set you tumbling. It's during these periods of financial instability that your saving habits and economic resilience are genuinely tested. So how does one navigate the capricious waves? By anticipating the unpredictable. It's crucial to understand financial crests and troughs are an inherent part of life. You can't foresee when they will transpire, but you can assuredly prepare for them. Start by dedicating a portion of your income to an emergency fund. This acts as a financial safety net during challenging periods. To illustrate, if you were to put away just $50 a month from the age of 20, with an average annual return of 6%, by the time you're 60, you would have more than $200,000, thanks to the power of compound interest. Next, think about diversifying your income streams, akin to not placing all your eggs in one basket. And finally, cultivate a habit of routinely reviewing and modifying your financial blueprint. Recall, the objective isn't to evade the lows, but to manage them with grace and resilience. You're not merely hoarding money, you're creating a financial fortress capable of weathering any storm. With unpredictability tamed, your financial roller coaster ride becomes smoother. Now, let's delve into crafting a financial strategy that suits your unique circumstances. Just as a skilled tailor would take precise measurements to create a perfectly fitting suit, you need to tailor your financial strategy to your specific income, lifestyle, and financial goals. No two financial plans are the same, and what may work for one may not work for another. It's all about focusing on your unique circumstances and financial landscape. Think of it as creating a financial wardrobe that fits you perfectly. It's not about the most expensive or flashy items, but about the pieces that serve your needs and enhance your financial style. Firstly, identify your income streams and expenses. It's not just about how much you earn, but also about how you spend. By understanding your spending habits, you can craft a budget that works for you, not against you. Next, consider your lifestyle. Do you live in a city with a high cost of living? Do you have dependents? These factors will significantly influence your financial strategy. Lastly, what are your financial goals? Are you saving for a house, planning for retirement, or aiming to pay off debt? Your goals will guide your financial decisions and help prioritize your spending and saving. Remember, a tailored financial strategy is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a dynamic process that changes as your life and goals evolve, allowing you to maximize your financial potential while living within your means. A tailored financial strategy paves the way to a successful thrifty transformation. Lastly, we explore turning the mundane task of saving into an exciting endeavor. Imagine for a moment a world where saving pennies feels as thrilling as a treasure hunt. Wouldn't that be a game changer? First, let's bring in the element of competition. Challenge yourself to save a little more each month. Set a target and strive to outdo your own record. You can even involve friends or family in a friendly saving contest. Who doesn't love a good challenge? Next, gamify your savings. Consider it as leveling up in a video game. Each level you reach signifies more money saved. Create a visual representation of your savings, be it a bar chart or a progress map, and watch as your game character advances towards the goal. Now, let's create a spend nothing day once a week. It's like a game of survival, where the challenge is to go a whole day without opening your wallet. It's not only fun, but it also teaches you to differentiate between needs and wants. And don't forget rewards. Saved up enough for a month? Treat yourself to a small reward. Remember, the key is moderation. The reward should be a fraction of what you saved, not the entire amount. By incorporating these elements, saving no longer feels like a chore. It becomes a fun, engaging process that you look forward to. With creative engagement, your journey towards a thrifty transformation becomes an enjoyable adventure. So, how do these factors guide us towards a thrifty transformation? Let's recap, shall we? To embark on a journey of financial freedom, we first grappled with turning the intimidating world of finance into a comprehensible roadmap. We then tackled learning to navigate the unpredictable waves of financial ups and downs with resilience and foresight. Next, we honed in on tailoring a financial strategy unique to our circumstances, because no two financial journeys are alike. And lastly, we nurtured saving, making it not just a necessity, but a fun and fulfilling endeavor. Each factor, in its own way, contributes to a successful thrifty transformation. Remember, the journey to a thrifty transformation begins with a single step. So, start today and craft your own financial success story. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. Your support is much appreciated.